I just wanted to show you guys some shopping I've done. I've done a lot, as you can see. It's probably not the best, but I've got some really good things I want to show you guys. This is going to be a more casual video where I just sit down and show you some things that I found that are really great deals and really cute. So let's get into it. First, I got this shirt from Shop Zoko. I'm so excited about it, and it's kind of wrinkly because it's been folded for a second, but I love the functioning buttons, and it's gonna look really cute with some skirts that I have. I'm super excited for this one because it looks good with skirts, paper bag pants, with jeans, literally anything. And it's like a cream colored, but you don't have to wear an undershirt under it, which is like the best part ever. So I'm really excited about this one for sure. Next, I have this top from American Eagle. Whenever I bought it, it wasn't on sale, but now it's like $15 or something like that. So if you're gonna get it now. But look at this with the adorable peach stripes. I love this top, and it'll look so cute unbuttoned over a swimsuit or buttoned with jeans. Literally, you can wear it however you'd like, but I just love the pastel colors, and it's so comfortable and super lightweight for summer. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection. And of course, it's striped. If you know me, you know I literally only own striped things, hence the dress that I'm wearing right now, but I just love stripes. I don't know what to say. I also got this from American Eagle, and I really, really want it, but I don't know if it's practical or not. I want to be a hat person, but I just feel like I can't pull them off, but I got one anyway because I really wanted one for the beach. And I like that there was holes in it because I didn't feel like I was going to get too hot, but yep, it's this cute little beach hat. And I like looking in the viewfinder. It just makes me look ridiculous right now, but this is the little beach hat. Of course, I'd probably style it different. The only issue I see is that it kind of dips down and makes me feel very cowboy-ish. But I just wish it was more of a stiff brimmed hat. But yep, I don't know if I'm going to keep this or what. Let me know in the comments because I'm just like so torn about it. I have no idea if I want to keep it or not. I know, I just keep looking at it and yeah, I don't know. So help me out. And speaking of accessories, I wanted to point out my pearl barrettes. I have a bunch of them that I got. I got them in a pack on Amazon. There's so many of them, and it was like $7. So that is a total win. There's so many cute ones, and if you haven't caught it yet, I did an entire tutorial of 10 different ways to style these. So head to that one if you want to see that. But also some other accessories that I got are these earrings. They're also from American Eagle. They're so cute. And I love the tortoise shell on them. And I got these Juniper Dressco. She is amazing. The girl Whitney there. She makes these. There's some hair scarves, and then she makes these scrunchies. She's so talented. I don't know how to sew at all. My mom knows how to sew, and my grandma knows how to sew, but that gene just wasn't transferred over to me. But this is my favorite one. I just love the red and how bright and colorful it is, but I think this one will be really fun to style. And this one has lemons on it, so you really can't go wrong with that either. Next, I have this dress from My Sister's Closet Boutique. Anytime anybody asks me where I get my clothes, it's usually from My Sister's Closet Boutique, but I forget to say boutique at the end, and then I just say My Sister's Closet, and then everyone's confused. So no, this isn't from my sister. This is from the actual boutique. It's actually, fun fact, they were my first collaboration ever, and I love to continue working with them, but this one I bought with my own money. This dress, I couldn't not buy it because it has the rust flowers. It's so beautiful, and it's so comfy. And if you untie the waist, I'll untie it really fast. You can wear it as a swing dress too. So there's so many different ways that you can style this one, which made me really excited to get it. Next is a piece of clothing I actually got from Amazon. If you know me, you know I love Amazon, and they have so many good pieces on there for such affordable prices. But this skirt is honestly one of my very favorite things I've ever gotten from Amazon. Look at this. It is so pretty. I'm trying to show you all of it. And it has pockets, and it comes in like, I don't know, 10 or so different colors. Don't quote me on that, but there's a ton of different options and I really want to get some more neutral ones. But I really like to style these with graphic t-shirts and with that button shirt that I showed you for the first one. And it just comes in so many beautiful colors. So if you see me wearing them multiple days in a row, don't judge me, but I'm definitely going to be keeping that one around for a while. Next, I have a couple pieces from Shop Indigo Lane. Brie was so nice and sent these to me, and I've styled them all on my Instagram, so head there if you want to see what these look like on. But these are so beautiful. Look at this first dress. Can you even with the colors? Like, it's so beautiful. You can easily dress this up for a date night or go for a walk on the beach, or just like wear it as a cover up over the pool. I love this one. And it doesn't go super low, so that makes me really happy. The one thing I will say is that the slip underneath is kind of short, and this does go open, so you can use a piece of like clothing tape or a pin or something like that, and you can keep it closed. So that's just a reference for you if you're going to get this dress. But yeah, it's seriously the most beautiful colors, and I'm so excited to wear this for summer. The next piece from Shop Indigo Lane is this adorable embroidered top. I love this one because I think I can style it so many different ways, with a skirt, with jeans, or paper bag pants, which you know are like my favorite things ever. They're so comfy and you can wear them to work or wherever and no one's gonna judge you, and they're comfier than sweatpants. So that's just my little spiel about paper bag pants. But this one is so cute. The true embroidery is beautiful, and I love the sleeves on this, how they're kind of cuffed like that. I don't know. I just love this shirt, and I'm really excited to see all the different ways to wear it. The last piece from Shop Indigo Lane is this polka dot dress. I'm super excited about this dress. It has a tie. I just haven't tied it yet. But it has the tie on the sleeve and the V-neck, which I think is super flattering. The one thing I will say is that this top is not lined, but the bottom is. So if you're worried about the top, you can wear a little half tee or a tank top or something like that underneath. But it's just super comfortable, really lightweight, and perfect for summer. This one would be a really good professional outfit. You can wear this with heels or flats to work, or you can dress it up or dress it down. I think it'd be so cute with like a baseball cap and some sneakers, and you can wear it out for like a summer evening or something like that. I don't know. There's so many different ways to wear this one, and I am super excited for this one. It gives me kind of like Minnie Mouse vibes, so if you like to go to Disney, pop on a red lip and go to Disney in this, because this would be so cute and I'm really excited for it. Now I'm down to the last little bit, and I have one last store to show you. I got a couple pieces from them. This is from Gymshark. They had a sale not too long ago, and they still have the tags on it. It took forever for it to get here, but I'm super excited. Look at this color. This color is so me, is it not? I literally have everything in this color. But I got this top, and I got the matching bottoms, if I can get them out. But so cute. These ones are actually the crop leggings, but I'm really excited about them because they're seamless and they are not see-through, which is so nice. But my sister-in-laws are dancers, and they told me that these are like their very favorite leggings, so I was really excited to try them out. And I wanted to try them out during a sale because honestly they're kind of pricey, but I'm really excited about this set. And I got a crop shirt to wear with them. Like, it's so cute. Like, look at that together. I don't know. Matching things just make me really happy, and I just love to match. But I love this one. This is a little bit shorter than I wanted. I mean, I know it's a crop shirt, but I was expecting the pants to be a little bit higher, but I still like it all together. I think it still looks really cute, and I'm really excited to wear it all at the gym. But that is all that I have for you today. Those are all the things that I've unboxed lately, and that is my haul. Let me know if you want me to do a haul about a specific store in particular that you're interested in seeing. If you want to see me try on the pieces or what is good quality and what isn't, let me know any suggestions down in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can be notified every single time I post. Thanks for watching.